So good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is for you. Welcome to this edition of Straight Talk, and I'm Lou Mosca, Chief Operating Officer of American Management Services. And today's topic, what I wanted to bring to you was something that I really never thought too much about till the last year or two, really specifically in the last year with this pandemic craziness, and that's the culture of your organization. I've never been a big focus on culture and huggy, feely, kissy, making people feel good kind of stuff. I've always been more driven based on the results. And results to me would always be sales, profit, and cash flow, but culture matters. And sometimes I've had to learn that the hard way in losing one or two people that I would never have wanted to lose. And, I sort of blame it on myself. So while I'm never going to take my foot off the pedal on what I believe is right and the true measurement for your business, which is sales, profit, and cash flow, I think you can interweave driving the business with a passion and still being a good, functional, compassionate listener and understander of what your people's needs and desires and wants are. So to me, that's one of my main priorities in 2021. Obviously helping myself, our company, and our clients get back to where they were pre-pandemic, but I want to do it in a way that all of our folks have a great opportunity, not some of our folks, all of our folks, and that's what I wish for everybody. So if you like listening to me spew every once in a while, click the subscribe button or ring the bell or give me a call at 800-743-0410. Trust me, I haven't gotten really any gentler, but I'm more understanding of what needs to happen to create more permanent success than I've ever been before. Have a great day.